All right, so today I'm going to be comparing footage from two drastically different drones. One of them is the Potenzic Atom, which is in the $300 to $400 range, and it's kind of an entry-level drone. And the other one is the DJI Mavic 4 Pro, which is in like the $3,000 to $4,000 range, depending on where you are and what package you get. Both of them are 4K drones. Both of them have 3-axis gimbal. I'm not going to get into the specs. This is all about just the video results from both of them. And I'm going to do a comparison, A and B, side-by-side comparison. I want you to leave in the comments below which one you think is from which drone, left or right. And then I'll reveal the results at the end. But why would I be doing this? There's a couple of reasons. Number one, because I think it's funny. Number two, because I can. And number three, maybe there's some of you out there who don't know if you need the $300 drone or the $3,000 drone. So maybe this will help you decide which one you can kind of get away with. So let's just get right into the footage here. So I've tried to pick shots that matched as close as possible. Do you think this is the $300 Potenzic? Or do you think this is the $300 Potenzic? Do you think drone B is the DJI or the Potenzic? Here they are side by side. So drone A on the left and drone B on the right. Leave a comment down below which one you think is the Potenzic. Here's drone B. Do you think this is the $3,000 drone or the $300 drone? And here's drone A. Is this the Potenzic Atom or is this the DJI? Again, here they are side by side. Which one, guys, do you think is drone A and which one do you think is drone B? I'm going to reveal it at the end here, but here's one more sample. So here's drone A. Do you think this was from the $300 drone or the $3,000 drone? Do you think this is the Potenzic Atom? Or do you think it is the DJI? And here's the second drone here, drone B. I tried to pick shots that match as close as possible. Guys, here they are side by side. Which one do you think is the Potenzic and which one do you think is the DJI? Leave a comment down below. I'm going to reveal it right away. All right, guys, so that was just a little bit of fun comparing a $300 drone to a $3,000 drone. I'll give you one last chance. Do you think drone A was the Potenzic Atom or the Mavic Pro 4? Or do you think it was drone B that was the Potenzic Atom? Leave a comment down below. I'm going to tell you right now, drone A was obviously the Potenzic Atom, and drone B was the DJI Mavic 4. But you can see side by side, I mean, they're both capable drones, especially the DJI for $3,000 is a very capable drone. But the Potenzic Atom actually holds its own. And hopefully this video has helped somebody decide whether they need to spend all of their money or just a little bit of their money and just get what they need. If this video was helpful to you at all, guys, do leave it a like, leave a comment down below. I'll answer all your comments. And as usual, just watch this video up here. YouTube knows you better than I do, so I'm sure it's going to recommend something that you like. Take care.